we are in North Lake Tahoe, and we are stopping by the Crystal Bay Club right here, which is across the street from the old Biltmore Tahoe Biltmore, which they shut down a few years back. And I think it's next to Jim Kelly's Nuggets. So we're gonna do a walkthrough over here, walkthrough and see how this is. Here we go. Yeah, how fast are we gonna get stopped here? I have my backpack on. Well, it's not as conspicuous as, never mind, I don't know, we'll see. Oh my god, I got bubble crabs. It's amazing.
It's not individual bubble crabs, it's shoot to win.
Nice.
Do we get a card?
Yeah, let's go do that. Your favorite. Let's see. Their high limit room. Look at their high limit room here. Yeah. The high limit. Oh. Okay, let's go get a card.
Let's get card.
Let's go get card and play some old school something, I don't know.
Play some games?
Yeah, play some games. We should do a challenge. A bubble craps challenge or something. You can go first. I'm just recording over here. Table games in the middle, like always. Oh, lightning link. Oh, they got the roll to win craps over there. Stadium game, stadium roulette. Shoot to win. Here we go. That's cool. Oh, what is she pointing to? Oh, the dance floor. There's a bar here. You can like rent this out to get married in or something. Let's see. Yeah. So it's a small casino. They got table games in the middle. Nobody's playing. They have to roll to win. Look at that. Oh. So here they have baccarat, blackjack, roulette. An alien game, money stun. Of course, she's over here by the dragon link. She loves the dragon link. Yep. We won this game in Palazzo twice. Yeah. So pretty. The tree's pretty, you too. Ooh. There's no sign up bonuses, huh? Crystal Bay Casino. We love so when I was here like 5 years ago, I put in $100 in one of these and I won like 200, and that was it.
Ooh.
Yep, that was it. When I was yeah, when I wasn't into slot machines ever. I don't know, we could try something. We'd like to try stuff. I'm not sure. I'm gonna finish walking over here real quick. Look at that. Old school games over here. Yep. And they have the Rakin' Bacon Deluxe right at the front door. Yeah. The table games right here. Ultimate Fire Link. Minimum right now is $25. What's up? Yeah, I saw that. Want to go play it? Ooh. Fire Link. Well, that's it, everybody. That's the casino. I should walk across the street and record the outside real quick. So, we're walking outside of the casino to go across first. So that casino over there, I think the rumor is that they closed this. Wait. Rumor is they closed this casino because they purchased a resort by the lake to remodel and build over there. That is the rumor. This is another casino that I won like $50 in back in the day. But I just want to walk over here to record where we're at. So that is the Crystal Bay Club Casino right there, which we're going to walk back into.
How about that one?
That one is Nugget. We'll walk over there after. So, yeah, let's go back in and play something.
What do you feel like Dragon League?
I feel like
War Machine?
I am not sure. We could play whatever. Ooh, Crystal Bay Steak and Lobster House over there.
Over there?
Yeah. I'll play whatever you want to play, and then I'd like to jump on Bubble Craps and play the Don't for like $20 or $25. Hit it and leave. We'll see.
Let's play a $50 game. A $5 bet.
You know what I notice
What?
on all of Bubble Craps videos that I do? The term that I use all the time is let's see. Let's see. That's all I say is let's see. Let's see how we do. Let's see how it is. Let's see. So, let's see how we do. Okay, here we go.
Okay, are we doing bubble crabs first, or are we doing the...
Whatever game you feel like you're,
There's nothing that's really calling out.
nothing really calling out.
Yeah, maybe the vault,
The vault? Okay.
or maybe the fire link, something we haven't played before.
Before. Well,
But we've played this one.
we have played that. Let's see, what? I said it again. Let's see. Rakin' Bacon Deluxe. What about one of these? What if we play a really old? How about we do this? You play a game of your choice. I'll play a game of my choice.
Okay.
And then we can do like a bubble crap session, a small one. Okay. All right. Did they say there were any specials for signups? No. All right. Wow, this one paid out. Cash machine. I see a lot of people winning on this one. Well,
Play on Buffalo.
check this out. This little room here, little bar. Look at the ceiling here. This is called the Red Room. The Red Room bar, Keno games, poker games. And she's still over here playing the Dragon Link. And then they have a non-smoking room over here. Yeah.
Everything's not smoking.
Here?
Yeah.
Well, there's ashtrays right there. There's a non-smoking room over here. We should check out and walk out that way. So, over by the Red Room and the restrooms, going to the poker room and restrooms, there is the non-smoking room. So it's Crystal Bay Club. There's the parking lot where we're restrooms, and this is the smokeless game center. Hey,
Oh.
see this? Smokeless Game Center. Let's go check it out. You could go first. Thank you for your cooperation for non-smoking.
Thank you.
So look at this.
Not smoking.
Fortune bags.
Wow.
Makes you want to play. Look at this little section over here where you can just like chill and talk to people. Wow, these old school seats. Oh, look at these things. Ooh, the old Buffalo games over here.
Oh, no.
Good game.
Good game.
So, non-smoking section. Wow. Oh, I thought someone had a royal flush right there. Anyways. Did they? Okay. There it is, everybody. Crystal Bay Casino.
Lake Tahoe, North Shore. There are casinos in the North Shore.
Yeah, just barely. Now we're gonna walk next door to somebody's nugget. Somebody sounds bad. I said someone's nugget. Okay, here we go.